Think every toolbox is the same? Think again. These 20 Genius Handyman tools feature smart designs that save time, improve accuracy, and make every project easier. From workshop innovations to job site essentials, these clever inventions work so efficiently they might just outsmart the handyman. The KNIPEX Stripper makes removing tough cable insulation quick, clean, and effortless. Built for hard cable sheathing, it delivers precise results with minimal effort. It's the kind of tool that makes stubborn cables surrender without putting up much of a fight. The VersaMAG L System is a powerful magnetic clamping solution that holds workpieces securely for faster, safer, hands-free work. Its modular design adapts to multiple tasks with ease. It's like having an extra pair of incredibly strong hands that never ask for a coffee break. The Pendulum Jigsaw is a lightweight cordless cutter built for fast, accurate, and effortless straight cuts. With tool-free blade changes and smooth performance, it makes woodworking easier. It's the kind of tool that slices through wood so confidently, you'll wonder if it secretly dislikes trees. The Ibenstock EHF1400 is a specialized milling machine that quickly creates precise channels for dry underfloor heating systems. Lightweight and efficient, it helps cut installation costs while simplifying the job. It works so fast, your floor might be finished before your coffee is. The Inferno Torch Kit unleashes a massive 500,000 BTUs of propane-powered heat, making quick work of weeds, ice, asphalt repairs, and other demanding tasks. Built for serious performance, it tackles tough jobs with ease. Just don't bring marshmallows. This flame is far too busy getting real work done. The Perform Slide Mitre Saw is a beginner-friendly tool that delivers clean, accurate cuts for DIY projects and home workshops. With adjustable angles and solid cutting capacity, it's perfect for makers. It cuts wood so neatly, your measuring tape might feel unemployed. This cordless backpack blower delivers engine-like power while staying lightweight and comfortable to wear. With adjustable speed, long runtime, and a high-velocity nozzle, it clears leaves with ease. It's basically nature's way of telling leaves they no longer have tenancy rights. Jessam's Quick Angle Rafter Pro makes framing and layout work faster with adjustable angle presets, a built-in level, and laser-engraved markings. Built from tough anodized aluminum, it's ready for demanding job sites. It measures so accurately, excuses for crooked cuts are officially retired. The Veritas Low-angle jack plane is a versatile woodworking tool that handles end grain, edge jointing, miters, and fine smoothing with precision. Its adjustable design tackles a wide range of tasks. It leaves wood so smooth, even splinters start looking for new jobs. SupaTorq Impact Driver Bits are engineered for high torque fastening, delivering exceptional durability, precision, and a stronger grip on screws. Designed specifically for impact drivers, they reduce wear, extend bit life, and improve performance. They're so tough, even stubborn stripped screws might finally decide to cooperate for once. The Empire Self-Leveling Crossline Laser projects bright green lines for fast, accurate layouts on any job site. Built tough with long battery life and magnetic mounting, it keeps everything perfectly aligned. Finally, a tool that stays level even when the project doesn't. The Makita's 1/2-inch hammer driver drill delivers massive torque, with 3 speed modes for drilling wood, metal, and concrete. Built for demanding jobs, it combines power with precision. It's the kind of drill that treats concrete like it's just having a bad day. The Flashline 3 is a versatile tile scoring and snapping system designed for everything from standard tiles to large format slabs. With interchangeable rails and scoring wheels, it delivers clean, precise cuts. It makes cutting tiles look so easy, even the tiles seem to cooperate. This heavy-duty pipe wrench delivers a powerful grip on pipes and flat surfaces with its 45-degree angled jaws and durable forged steel construction. Built for tough jobs, it offers excellent leverage. It's the kind of wrench that politely asks pipes to move, then insists. The Wood Sabre II is a precision marking gauge designed for flawless woodworking layouts. Featuring micro adjustments, a razor-sharp retractable blade, and rugged construction, it delivers outstanding accuracy and clean, consistent marks. It's so precise your ruler might start questioning its career choices after every perfect line. This upgraded 13mm impact drill packs a powerful 600-watt motor for faster drilling and improved durability. Built for demanding tasks, it delivers reliable performance with every use. It's the kind of drill that treats tough materials like they're just minor inconveniences. The HydroPower Nano produces spot-free pure water for professional window and exterior cleaning without using electricity or a pump. Its advanced filtration system boosts efficiency while staying portable and easy to use. It's basically a water purifier that makes dirty windows question their life choices. The EFFICUT Blade delivers fast, clean, and precise cuts through wood, MDF, and laminate with minimal effort. Designed for cordless saws, it improves efficiency and extends battery life. It cuts so smoothly, the wood barely has time to realize what happened. The vacuum pump securely mounts drill rigs to smooth surfaces without permanent anchors, providing a strong, stable hold on concrete and natural stone. Designed for reliability and efficiency, it simplifies demanding drilling jobs. It's like giving your drill rig octopus-level suction, minus the tentacles and ocean drama. The aluminum box level combines a durable frame, magnetic base, and high-precision vials for accurate leveling on flat or round surfaces. Built to handle tough jobs, it keeps every project straight. Unlike your weekend DIY plans, this tool never loses its level. That wraps up our 20 Genius Handyman tools. Which one earned a spot in your toolbox? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible tools, smart gadgets, and clever inventions that make every project faster, easier, and a lot more fun.